Welcome to the Cloud Engineering course. In this 6-month program, you'll gain a comprehensive introduction to cloud computing with a focus on Azure architecture, deployment models, and services. Learn the fundamentals of cloud computing, including key concepts and technologies that power cloud solutions. Understand how to design and implement cloud architectures on Azure, equipping you with the essential skills you need. Develop proficiency in using Azure services and tools to build and manage cloud solutions. Learn about cloud security, compliance, and best practices to ensure robust and secure cloud environments. Get hands-on experience with cloud automation and DevOps tools, enabling you to efficiently manage cloud-based infrastructure and services. System administrators, network engineers, and developers looking to deploy applications on the cloud will benefit greatly from this course. Students in IT and computer science programs will also find this course invaluable. Join us in the Cloud Engineering course and elevate your career to new heights. This course offers a unique opportunity to gain hands-on experience and practical knowledge. With comprehensive video lectures, code repositories, and reading materials, you'll have everything you need to succeed, including access to research papers, practical assignments, and cloud-based development environments on Azure. Join us in the Cloud Engineering course and unlock the potential of AI. Enroll now and start your journey today.